Now for part B, just to recap, we've got our parabola C, which has equation y squared equals 20x, and we found out earlier that any general point P on C is given by these parametric coordinates 5t squared 10t. And what we're asked to do now is we're told that we've got a point A on C, has a parameter t equals 4, and the line L passes through this point A and the focus of the curve C, and what we've got to do is find the gradient of that line L. Well, to do a problem like this, what I would do is first of all get an appreciation of the problem by drawing a sketch. So if I was to draw a sketch, we'd have our axes something like this, a y-axis and then an x-axis, and we've got a parabola then y squared equals 20x, which goes through the origin. It's going to look something like this kind of shape. Alright? It's meant to be symmetrical about the x-axis. Now, where is this point A on C first of all? Well, to get that, I would want to know what we get when t is 4. So when t equals 4, we find that the point A is given by 5 times 4 squared, and that's going to give us 80. And for the y coordinate, we've got 10 times 4, which is 40. So that's our point A, 80, 40. Let's mark that on the curve. Okay, let's just suppose it's here, say. That's our point A at 80, 40. Now that we've got A, we've got to draw a line L that goes through A and passes through the focus of our parabola y squared equals 20x. Now we should be familiar with the fact that if you have a parabola, it's of the form y squared equals 4ax, where A is the coordinates, well, the x-coordinate I should say, of the focus of our parabola. So when you compare the two, you can see that 4a is 20, so you can see that A has to be equal to 5. So the coordinates of the focus then will be 5, 0. It's not drawn to scale, but I'll just pop that in there as 5, 0. So the line L that we've got is a line that's coming through this point here and through the focus and out the other side. Okay, I missed it there. We'll just move that across. Okay, we'll put that there and just join that up like that. So that's our line L. And to get the gradient then, very easy. All we got to do is difference in the y coordinates divided by the difference in the x coordinates. So we therefore have the gradient of L equals 40 minus 0, difference in the y coordinates then, divided by the difference in the x coordinates, 80 minus 5. And if you do that, you end up with 40 divided by 75, and when cancelled, that comes out as 8/15. And there's your answer. Okay?